Alright, so this is the assembly of the CNC dust shoe. I went ahead and put the strap on first just because it makes it a lot easier. So first thing we do, get the impeller, make sure that the head is lined up, slots are in the right place, or else it will not slide in properly. Get your ER11 nut on there with whatever attachment you need. Let's see, slide this one on here, tighten it up, mount, there we go. Let's push this down, should be over the top of the head. Finger tight is probably fine here. Okay. Okay. And then dust shoe goes on. Okay, done. And just so you know I'm not crazy, here is low power, 8,000 RPMs. And 18,000 RPMs.